I'm gonna let her outside. So I just got back from Ikea and I'm gonna show you everything I bought. I'm so happy with my purchases. I'm gonna show you that. Okay, so please don't mind the mess behind me. It's just a random video of me going to Ikea and me showing you some stuff, some non-bookish stuff that I bought today. Okay, first thing is this. You might not know what it is, but first I bought it $14.99, I think. $14.99. Yes, my sister bought one as well. And this is actually something you put on your knees, on yourself, on your lap, you know, and you put your laptop there, just like as on the picture here. And I know it may sound ridiculous, but sometimes, like when you're in the couch, etc., you don't especially have somewhere where to put a laptop, your Mac, whatever, and it can be very hot at one point. So that's useful, and that's so cute. I mean, black and white, that's all me. So yeah. Then for €2.49 I bought these, and they really smell like blackberries. I just wanted some colors on my pictures and it smells so good, but I know it's not like super colorful, but it's gonna be gorgeous. Then for $2.99 I bought these 3 candles, same purpose as the other one. Oh, almost the color of my nails. So to make my pictures more colorful, and it's supposed to smell like bounty, you know, coconut and chocolate. So yeah, let me check right now. Yes and no, I can smell it. It's not 100% that smell, but I can definitely say it's kind of similar. Then for $5.99 I bought these 3 plants here. I'm gonna unbox them later on, but so you see how it looks like here. So yeah, they're super cute. Then I don't know if this one was $2.99 or $4.99 because I have 2 plants that have the same name, but here it is, and that's super cute. I love it, love it. And the other plant, I don't know if it's $2.99 or $4.99 or whatever, is this one. So obviously it's a fake one, so everything is fake except the last item. I'm gonna show you the last plant, but yeah, it's gorgeous. I know from very close it really looks fake, but I love it. Then for $1.49 I bought this. So the name in French is potpourri, but it's supposed to smell like waffles and ice cream, so vanilla. I really hope so. Then for 99 cents I bought these so I can put the other plants. So for $6.99 I bought these, and I'm gonna open it now. And here, don't you think they're cute? I mean, I've never had one before, so hopefully they will survive with me. I will see. But they're so cute, and that's totally me. Okay, well, so I'm gonna stop here because the battery is dying. So I hope you enjoyed this random vlog. If you did and you want to see more of this kind of stuff on my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can be also a part of the pack, because trust, we howl. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So wolves, take care, see you soon, bye.